get the skirts from that place where I told you?
Where are you from?
From Sioux Center, Iowa.
And your wife had just said there's...
That's Betty.
Okay. She said that you guys been to every one?
Yes.
Getting bigger and better?
Yes, it sure is. Yeah. Yeah. We every so many years we get a plaque from because we never missed. We're the only ones that never missed a single Canton car show.
Oh, neat.
We go all over to the Nationals and all over the United States. We belong to the Vintage Chevrolet Club of America, and we've been down to Hutchinson, Kansas, and to Kansas City. This past year to Rochester. And with a car like this, they go for originality. And last year I got a first junior in this class, and this year I got a second senior. What you have to do is they first start you out with a first junior. You work yourself up to what they call a first senior. Then you get a preservation award. And that's the highest award you can get for being a national winner like that. So, but I did have a lot of competition in the last couple of years because there was more of this type car than any other car.
Huh.
And my first car was one just exactly like this. That's the reason I restored this one.
You must have a lot of fun if you go to that many of them, huh?
Oh yeah, we go to a lot of them. And,
that's good.
These national ones, that's a whole week of tours and banquets and judging and we've got a lot of things going that we go to then. And my wife, she always goes along with me.
That's good.
She enjoys it as much as I do. Well, it's a deluxe model steering wheel. The reason they call it banjo, see the center looks like and the things coming out, that looks like the strings of a banjo.
Mm-hmm.
That's where they get the idea of the banjo steering wheel.
There's your radio, huh?
Yeah. And I had everything, all the garnish moldings on the car have been I sent them to a guy in Florida. He's supposed to be about the best in the United States.
Where are you gonna go? How come?
I just got here.
Oh, you're gonna go and look at some cars, I take it, huh?
That's what I'm gonna do.
Any certain ones you go and look at, or just everything?
Them older model Fords.
Oh, you want to remember your youth time,
I got a
huh?
nephew that's supposed to have a yellow one here. But I don't know where they're at. Yellow Ford. About
Okay.
a 40 Ford.
Turned out. Thank you. Wasn't me.
He looks so bad. Looks awful good now.
When we bought him, he looked awful bad.
Did he?
Yeah.
Been to a lot of car shows with him?
Oh, wow. They just come back from Texas.
When you go, you guys go ways away too, huh?
Well, that's the furthest one. The biggest show we've ever done was in Texas.
You been to this one before?
This is our 4th year.
Oh, good.